Soon after Bill Jah People Zion roots. Don't know.
Ay, ay, ay. Oy. Ay, 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 ay. One road, one pace, true face. Journey long, but the steps align on time. Me walk with roots under me feet, concrete meat. Every mile teach me something new, still true. Me nah rush finish line glow, me grow. Oh yeah. Me carry lesson from rise and fall, stand tall. Each scar part of the map me read, life seed. Me nah regret the road them rough, built tough. Final roots walk, steady stride, no hide. Final roots walk, oh, calm and strong, move on. Salute the past, but me face ahead. Clear head, roots guide me future without chain. Free rein, me walk me purpose, not escape. Firm shape, if the journey end tomorrow man, no scan. Me know me walk true to me core, that's sure. It's not the speed, but the way me tread. Never change, wisdom change. Me past roots could he make youth them tangem. Legacy more than name and face, living trace. What real last beyond time test. No stress. Roots never rust. Iron stands, no chance. Roots never rust. Culture stay. Night and from old style to future road. Go slow. Na na na. Na na na. Night calm, city mute, inner truth. Smoke rise slow, time stretch wide. Deep inside, me light one split, but me quiet stay. Mind clear, not stray. Stillness louder than the noise outside. Ego slide. Me observe, thought them pass like cloud. Low crowd. World rush fast, but me pace slow. Control every inhale, ground me feet firm. Lesson learned, me nah use smoke fi hide from fear. Me face here, smoke and stillness. Calm combine, sacred time. Smoke and stillness. Mind align, pure design. In the quiet, me hear me purpose speak. Soft but deep, clarity come when me stop force. Natural course. Me learn peace, not equal weak. Strength peak. When smoke fade, me center stay. Guide me way. Stillness follow me through the day. Not just play. Silence teach what noise can't show. Let go, smoke and stillness. Grounded soul in control. Smoke and stillness. sharp, nice mute, clear root. Media scream but me volume low. Me know, me guard my mind like sacred zone. Leave alone, not every voice deserve attention. Select tension. They feel tough fear and hype themselves. Break spell, silence help me hear what real. Truth reveal me not drown in information flood. Pure blood. Mind over nights. Clarity win from within. Mind over nights. Calm control. Steady soul. Focus is muscle me train daily. No lazy. Me choose depth over trending sound. Solid ground. Hard discipline sharpen me aim. Same flame. When confusion cloudy common view, me see through. Quiet mind always one step ahead. Well-fed noise, land God wisdom whisper low. Listen slow. Mind over nice. Vision clean. Serene over nice. Forward move. Never lose. Cleared alongside. Nine, 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 nights in a
Zion Raga inna the house, yeah man. Deep in the night and the moonlight glow, Naya bingy drum beat steady and slow. Call the people from near and far, guide them home where the prophets are. Every rhythm tell Jah story true, ancient voice that carry through. Drum of Rasta never cease, beat the sound of love and peace. Drum of Naya Bingi strong and pure, beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate, break the chain and crush the hate. From the hilltop down to shore, drumbeat echo forevermore. It call the youth, it wake the old, tell them all what the prophets told. Each vibration heal the soul, make the wounded spirit whole. Babylon tremble when it hear, drum of Jah is drawing near. Under the stars and early sun, Naya Bingi chant just begun. With every strike, a prayer rise high, reach Jah throne up in the sky. It join the heart, it join the hand, it build the love across the land. From first beat till the last, drum of Zion, all we fast. Me see the elder close them eye, feel the spirit passing by. Me see the youth begin to sway, learn the ancient Rasta way. Drum Drum teach patience, drum teach fight. Drum teach wrong from what is right. Every beat a guiding light. Keep the flame of Jah in sight. When the night winds start to cool, drum still teach Jah holy school. From dawn to dusk, from dusk to dawn, Naya Bingi keep treading on. It tell the world we shall be free when love and truth is all we see. Drum of Rasta loud and clear, beat till Babylon disappear. Beat slow, beat fast, carry the message that will last. From root to crown, from sea to sky, Naya Bingi drum will never die. No chain, no fear can still the hand. Drum of Jah will rule the land. Drum of Naya Bingi strong and pure, beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate, break the chain and crush the hate. From mountain high to valley low, Naya Bingi beat will always flow.
Zion Ragaya man.
Blaze up the fire, fi cleanse the land. Burn away Babylon hand. Every spark a holy sign. Light the darkness, make it shine. Me see the flame dance in the night. Guide the people to the light. Fire of redemption, pure and strong. Lead we back where we belong. Fire of redemption, blaze so high. Touch the earth and kiss the sky. Every heart come feel the flame. Call on Jah, holy name. Me hold the torch in me palm. Fi bring the wicked to Jah calm. No fire of hate, no fire of war. This are the flame, fi heal the scar. It burn the chains, it break the lie. Lift the soul to Zion high. Every call a prayer me send, fi bring the suffering to an end. In the mountain cave it start, glow like love in every heart. Spread through valley, cross the plain, wash away the dirt and pain. Babylon try fi hide in shade, but Jah fire well laid. It light the road, it clear the way, till the righteous rule the day. Me see the youth them gather round, listen to the holy sound. Elder teach them truth from birth. Fire bless the whole earth. No man can quench the flame of peace. It only grow, it never cease. Every tongue and every creed feel the fire of righteous deed. Night draw close but still it glow. Light the steps where we must go. It warm the weak, it guide the lost. Fire of love, whatever the cost. Till morning come and sky turn gold. Fire of redemption still hold. It blaze until the work is done. And Babylon wall come down. Blaze high, blaze low. Through the spirit, let it flow. Not for earth, but for heal. Show the world the truth so real. Touch in hand, we walk in might. Fire of Jah, bring the light. Fire of redemption, blaze so high. Touch the earth and kiss the sky. Every heart come feel the flame. Call on Jah, holy name. From mountain top to ocean
man. Rise up strong, Jah people stand. Army built by Jah hand. Not with weapon, not with gun, but with love, the battle won. Babylon crumble, system fall. Jah people army, conquer all. Righteous banner, flag of peace. Army chant, till war cease. Children march with holy song. Youth man chant, fi right not wrong. Elder walking, steady line. Army move with Jah sign. Every step a victory. Army chant of unity. No oppression can divide. Jah people army worldwide. Jah people army strong and free. March in love and harmony. No more war and no more pain. Jah people army still remain. Not in anger, not in hate. Army walk through Zion gate. Every voice a sacred flame. Lift it high in Jah name. Babylon wall can't stand tall. Army of Jah break it all. Generation one accord. Army march with Jah word. From the city to the field. Army strength forever sealed. From the desert to the sea. Army chant for victory. One foundation, one true call. Army stand for great and small. Spirit strong, banner high. Army of Jah never die. Forward, forward, people rise. Army shine before the eyes. No retreat and no delay. Army march, Jah way. Jah people army strong and free. March in love and harmony. No more war and no more pain. Jah people army still remain. Forever chanting pure and true. Jah people army for me and you. Jah people army strong and free. March in love and harmony. No more war and no more pain. Jah people army still remain. Forever chanting pure and true. Jah people army for me and you.
Zion smoke higher in the jungle. The system tremble when me step in. Me words sharp like lightning. Them say behave, me say never. Me fight for truth, me fight for ever. Them tell we vote, but all them lie. Me say look Babylon in eye. From ghetto corner to uptown high. The rebel wave rise like the tide. Me say the youth them wake now. Brainwash can't hold them down. Me say the elders chant still. Rebel fire can't kill. We not slave, we not fool. Me say Jah give we the real tool. Me say love, me say rage. Me say open your mind cage. Wave of rebels sweep the land. Me say strong heart, me say strong hand. The Babylon wall can't stand. We come together, Jah command. Wave of rebels from shore to shore. The youth cry out no more, no more. Me say rise up, me say stand tall. Me say chant down Babylon wall. The media blindfold the truth, but me lyrics reach the youth. Me say school not teach survival. Me say read, grow your vital. Them put camera up on every street, but me say soul them can defeat. Me walk with lion in a me chest. Me na bow, me give me best. Me say hustle for freedom, not gold. Me say carry the story untold. Me say dance under the moonlight. Celebrate love, celebrate right. Me say with the wave, with the storm. Rebel heart break every norm. From sound system to mountain top. Me say rebel music can't stop. Boom, me feel it rise. Rebel fire like the skies. Them can't block the movement, no. It come like river overflow. Me say the beat inside me bone. Every street me call it home. Me say all hands come near. The rebel wave can't disappear. Sweep the land. Me say strong heart, me say strong hand. The Babylon wall can't stand. We come together, Jah command. Wave of rebels from shore to shore. The youth cry out no more, no more. Me say rise up, me say stand tall. Me say chant down Babylon wall. Me say from Africa to Caribbean, the rebel song reach every man. The youth rise up, the system shake. This wave of love not fake. Me say unity, me say voice. Me say freedom is a choice. Me say break chain, me say build. Me say teach love to the child. No more war, no more greed. Me say plant hope, grow seed. Me say rebel heart over fear. Me say truth echo everywhere. Wave of rebels we roll on. Me say till the break of dawn. Me say chant, me say fight. Me say rebel light shine bright. Ay, 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 Zion reggae. Upon the head of a righteous one. Crown of Zion like the sun. Not of silver, not of gold. Crown of love forever bold. It shine with mercy, shine with peace. Crown of Jah brings sweet release. Forever pure, forever true. Crown of Zion for me and you. Crown of Zion, bright and strong. Blessed be righteous all along. Every trial, every test. Crown of Jah reward the blessed. No king of earth can wear the flame. Crown of Zion call Jah name. It guide the humble, guide the meek. Crown of truth all people seek. It break the chain, it lift the soul. Crown of Jah make we whole. Forever shining, never fade. Crown eternal Jah has made. We see the elder bowing prayer. Crown of Zion shining there. It blaze at night, it glow at noon. Crown of Jah no fading soon. Forever holy, never wrong. Crown of Zion ever strong. Upon the head of chosen true. Crown of Jah belong to you. No Babylon can
trumpet sound at last. Crown of Zion, ever fast. It blaze eternal, never gone. Crown of Jah, forever strong. From dawn of time till endless day. Crown of Zion, light the way. Holy glory, holy song. Crown of Jah, forever strong. Shine bright, shine high. Crown of Zion, fill the sky. No thief, no chain can steal away. Crown of Jah, forever stay. Crown of Zion, bright and strong. Bless the righteous all along. Every trial, every test. Crown of Jah, reward be blessed. From earth to sky, from night to morn. Crown of Zion, ever worn. Ay, ay, ay. Ganja with Zion. Reggae, man. The soil soft under me feet. Me walk where love and nature meet. Me plant me dreams, me plant me care. Herb and hope in the same ear. Me no deal with concrete scheme. Me live in the natural dream. Each leaf a part of Jah reply. Zion grow and spirit high. Zion grow in a we. Like tree roots deep and free. From earth to earth, the link is clear. Jah kingdom manifesting here. Me teach the youth fi till the land. Fi feel Jah works in a them hand. The seed them plant, them future build. With every crop, a life fulfill. Me garden green, me mind at rest. Me know say Jah provide the best. Me see creation live and move. In every leaf, the truth improve. Zion grow in a way. Like tree roots deep and free. From heart to earth, the link is clear. Jah kingdom manifesting near. Meditation deep like rain in spring. Roots vibration make me sing. Me chant in a field, me reason pure. Love and healing a Jah cure. No wickedness in a we yard. Only truth and works of God. Zion afar, it start in a soul. And growing a we like starry stole. Me see the hills wear crown of green. Like the promise Jah always mean. Me feel the rhythm in every breeze. Zion speak through birds and trees. Me share me harvest, me share me word. No gate, no wall, just love preferred. Zion grow when we overstand. That Jah reside in every land. Zion grow in a we. Like tree roots
Bless the people, yeah man. More love, more peace in the world, man, man, man. Sound the drum, the trumpet blow. Jah train ready fi go. All aboard, me people rise. Freedom live behind the eyes. Me leave the city dust behind me. Seek the peace, me find the world full of lies and lies. But Zion truth never die. Me chant, me song, me hold me ground. Jah melody profound. Each step me take is sacred call. No man can me soul stall. Me see the children wave them on. Bless the future of this land. Me hear the elder voice so wise. Tell me Rasta never compromise. Jah give the path fi trod. Me move with faith in God. The journey long but pure love are the only cure. Zion chain rolling through. Jah call me, me coming to. One heart, one faith, one sound. Freedom circle all around. Zion train rolling high. No tear left fi cry. Every soul fi ride. Jah guide the tide. Me say the mountain greet the sky. Eagles spread them fly. Me feel the spirit in the breeze. Truth set me mind at ease. The system try to break me chain, but Jah wash the pain. Me lift the torch and share the flame. In Jah holy name, me trod with love, me trod with peace, till hatred cease. Every man and woman sing, Jah kingdom we bring. No stop this train, me say. Zion roll night and day. All who seek the light, come trod in Jah side. Zion train rolling through. Jah call me, me coming to. One heart, one faith, one sound. Freedom circle all around. Zion train rolling high. No tear left fi cry. Every soul fi ride. Jah guide the tide. When we reach the holy shore, me heart need cry no more. Zion train never done. Ride into Jah sun.
Na na na. At Bubats and Sweat Kaya man. Me rise early when the sky's still blue. Chalice light up, me thoughts feel true. In a bamboo groove, me soul retreat. Barefoot step, cool earth beneath me feet. Me draw from the pipe, exhale me pain. Me chant melodies in a smoke and rain. Bird them sing, tree them sway. Me heart beat in a Rasta way. Bamboo talk, me listen keen. Them whisper secrets seen and unseen. Me nah rush, me take it slow. Each breath a blessing, each puff me know. Me vision clear, no mist in sight. Me float in rhythm, hold Jah light. Me burn me fire in sacred shell. Me meditate where silence dwell. In a bamboo meditations, me find peace, me find vibrations. Me inhale truth, exhale fear. Me walk with sound, Jah always near. Smoke and sound, soul elevate. Me ride the wave, me shift me state. Bamboo breeze and mystic sound. Me feet levitate off the ground. Me sit in circle with me brethren them. Drum beat rise like lion anthem. We pass the pipe in reverence. Smoke curl up like incense. Me speak of dreams, them speak of stars. We talk about healing, about ancient scars. Me nah need screen, me nah need phone. Me need the forest, fi feel me own. Every leaf a teacher, every root a guide. Me overstand nature, me nah hide. Me soul in tune with bamboo's bend. It flex but never break me friend. So me live like that, humble and wise, grounded in truth, high in the skies. Me burn herb not fi run away, but fi connect deeper every day. In a bamboo meditations, me find peace, me find vibrations. Me inhale truth, exhale fear. Me walk with sound, Jah always near. Smoke and sound, soul elevate. Me ride the wave, me shift me state. Bamboo breeze and mystic sound. Me feet levitate off the ground. Me tread the land with no distress. Me heart beats strong, me soul feel blessed. Me meet the elder with eyes so deep. Him set me youth, the mountain steep, but hold your name and burn it clean. Me see enough things that not be seen, so me sip me tea and chant me rhyme. Me reason deep, me lose all time. Me not preach, but me speak from heart. Me words are spark, me vibes are art. If you're lost, come sit beside. Light up spliff and ride the tide. Me give you rhythm, me give you flame. Me give you Rasta with no shame. From bamboo roots to clouds so high, Zion echoes echo in a sky.
Na 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 na, na na na, na 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 na, na 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 na. From early dawn till setting sun, now you bingy drum a beat fi run. Echo deep in mountainside. Call the children far and wide. Every strike a message clear. Jah spirit always near. Drumbeat guide the righteous way. Push the darkness far away. Drumbeat of Zion, strong and true. Call the old and call the new. Every step we march in time to Jah love in perfect rhyme. Me hear the elder chant along, voice and drum in one strong song. It tell the tale from long ago, of prophecy we know must know. Drumbeat carry word of peace, tell the war and hate to cease. Every beat a healing sound, lift we high from off the ground. When the storm clouds start to rise, drumbeat call fi clear the skies. It shake the gate, it wake the soul, bring the people back to old. Babylon tremble when it hear, cause truth a beat so loud and clear. No army strong, no chain so tight, can't stop the drumming, Jah life. Me see the youth them learn the play, keep the heartbeat every day. From tiny hands to seasoned palm, drumbeat bring a holy calm. It speak a language without word. Every across the land. Guide we all with gentle hand till the morning sun return. Drumbeat keep the spirit burn. In Zion heart it always stay. Beat of love to light the way. Whoa. Boom boom, beat for life. Cut through trouble, cut through strife. No border, no wall, no chain can hold in a bingy flame. From sunrise till day is done, drumbeat keep the people one. Drumbeat of Zion, strong and true. Call the old and call the new. Every step we march in time to Jah love in perfect rhyme. From mountain top to valley deep, drumbeat of Zion we always keep.
Ay, 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 ganja is just medicine. First light break across the land, crown of dawn in Jah hand. Every color born anew, crown of mercy shine for you. Darkness fade, the shadows run. Crown of dawn embrace the sun. Every glow a sacred flame. Crown uplift the holy name. Elder rise and start to pray. Crown of dawn reveal the way. Every heart begin to wake. Crown of love no man can fake. Babylon dream now fade away. Crown of hope restore the day. Everlasting, bold and pure. Crown of truth will still endure. Farmer lift his face to sky. Crown of dawn reflect his eye. Every seed a promise made. Crown of mercy never fade. Rain descend and light unfold. Crown of peace worth more than gold. Every morning bring a new. Crown of Zion shine for you. Poet write upon the wind. Crown of dawn erase the sin. Every word a gentle song. Crown of truth keep growing strong. Even darkness cannot hide. Crown of justice still abide. Every hue and every ray. Crown of dawn define the day. Diga 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 diga. Workers sing upon the field. Crown of dawn is only shield. Every labor bless the hand. Crown of peace across the land. No oppression, no deceit. Crown of love make life complete. Ever pure and ever new. Crown of Zion shine for you. Night return but light remain. Crown of dawn remove the pain. Every soul begin to rise. Crown of truth fill the skies. Generation lift them song. Crown of mercy keep them strong. Everlasting, pure and free. Crown of dawn eternity. When the world in silence rests. Crown of dawn still shine the best. Never fading, never gone. Crown of peace keep marching on. Sacred glory bold and high. Crown of Zion fill the sky. Eternal flame forever true. Crown of dawn shine for you. Rise, rise, morning bright. never fading, never fall. Crown of peace, embrace us all, forever shining, bold and pure. Crown of truth will still endure. Sacred glory, bright and new. Crown of Zion, shine for you. Me feel the heat rise from my skin. Fire burn deep within. Me no burn for hate or fame. Me burn for Johnny. Every spark of prayer, me know Jah dey near. Zion flame eternal bright, light up the night. Them try to cool the flame of love, but it rise from above. Me no need no gasoline, just spirit clean. Babylon fear the chant me sing, cause truth when me bring them build wall fi divide, but Jah dey inside. Me burn illusion, burn disguise, open eyes. Me burn corruption, greed and lie under Jah sky. Fire purify me heart, set me apart. The heat me feel no pain, wash me chain. Me look round since I fast spread, but Rasta never dread. Me share my fire for the coal, me story told. The youth I light the flame again, free from chains. I on fire guide them home, never alone. Me burn for justice true, me burn for you. The world can't sleep in a dark. Me ignite the spark, no power stronger than Jah will. Be still, this flame never fade. Righteous made, yeah. Fire in a Zion blaze, like the world in righteous ways. From the hills to the shore, Jah love explore. Fire in a Zion high, reach the sky. Burn away the wrong, keep us strong. The story told by the elders bold. Them say fire teach respect, keep mind correct. So me guard my flame like crown, never put down it warm the poor man mind. Pure delight, me see them try for dim my spark, still my mark. Every rhythm I chant ignite, guided light. My flame no weapon of war, it heals scar, burn away the hate. Open gate, me sit by the river edge. Make my pledge, my fire for truth, not fear. Johnny, them ask why you still burn. Me say me still learn. Fire reveal what's real. Just heal, me light it up for the world to see. Freedom for we. No fireman can cool this flame. All Johnny, yeah, yeah. Fire in a Zion blaze, like the world in righteous ways. From the hills to the shore, Jah love explore. Fire in a Zion high, reach the sky. Burn away the wrong, keep us strong. Yeah, so when my spirit gone, the fire live on. Zion blaze eternal bright. Guide will light, yeah.
Ay, 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 ay. Me wake from golden sky, bird them fly, light kiss the mountain peak. Me hear just speak, every new day me give praise. Jah ways, Jah ways, Jah ways, Jah ways, Jah ways, Jah ways. Me rise up strong, me heart clean, me live me dream. No worry, no hate, me whole, me spirit cold. Me see the sun bless the land, work with Jah hand. Love shine bright like beam, me supreme, me Is life at ease, the youth play by the tree. So free, me pray the world keep calm. Full with psalm, golden morning teach again. No vain, me see the elder beat the drum. Chant for kingdom come, the village waking song. Nothing wrong, me know Jah plan secure. That's for sure, golden morning pure delight. Shine bright, me no take darkness for friend. Light transcend, every sorrow fade away. New day, golden time divine. Design so fine. John. Golden morning light so true. Jah bless me and you. Golden morning peace me feel. Love so real. Golden morning rise again. Wash the pain. Golden morning bless the land by Jah hand. So when the night fade out of sight, me hold the light. Golden morning come again, peace remain. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
Na Zion roots, yeah man. Shining bright from holy sky. Light of Zion never die. It pierced the dark, it chased the night. Light of Jah forever bright. It guide the children, heal the poor. Light of Zion open door. Every beam a holy song. Light of Jah forever strong. Light of Zion shine on me. Set me spirit, set me free. No more darkness, no more pain. Light of Jah forever reign. Light of Zion never soon. It bless the elder, bless the meek. Light of truth all people seek. It cut the chain, it break the lie. Light of Jah forever high. Forever shining, never dim. Light of Zion, holy hymn. Me see it blaze upon the hill. Light of Zion shining still. It guide the tribe, it lead the way. Light of Jah both night and day. It heal the wounded, lift the low. Light of Zion ever show. No wicked shadow can remain. Light of Jah remove the chain. Shine without. Light of Zion end all doubt. It bless the humble, guide the strong. Light of Jah the righteous song. Forever true, forever clear. Light of Zion always near. It warm the soul, it calm the mind. Light of Jah for all mankind. When the trumpet sound at last, Zion never past. It blaze eternal, never fade. Light of Jah forever made. From dawn of time till endless day.
of Zion shine on me. Set me spirit, set me free. No more darkness, no more pain. Light of Jah forever reign. From east to west, from night to morn. Light of Zion ever born. Nah, smoke ganja and meditate, yeah, man. Oh yeah. Early morning, sun start rise. Birds are sing like in the skies. Me step barefoot on the earth cool. Draw for me chalice, me spiritual tool. Me roll up herbs in banana leaf. Me give thanks for life, me soul find peace. No nice, just breezing at the tree. Meditation come naturally. Inhale the smoke, exhale the pain. Feel the roots flow deep in a brain. Me sit by river, me heart beat slow. Me see Jah face where the waters flow. No phone, no screen, no fake delight. Just me and I and the holy light. I chant the psalms, me call Jah name. For wisdom, guidance, no money game. Mystic smoke, guide me soul. I am meditation, make I whole. From mountain top to valley deep. Rasta na fear, we not sleep. Mystic smoke, bring the light. Burn away darkness of the night. Herbal healing, word is sound. Jah vibration all around. Me empress they within the grove. She pick herbs filled with temple stove. She say love is sacred, pure and slow. Me say yes queen, let it grow. She light the fire, boil bush tea. We chant together in harmony. We no chase clothes, no chase fame. We live idle, clean in Jah name. Me feel Jah when me plant a seed. When rain fall and cleanse me need. Me hear truth in every drum. In a silence, wisdom come. Me no need church fi connect to source. Me walk with Jah, me stay the course. Me draw me herb, me close me eye. Me spirit float to Zion high. Mystic smoke, guide me soul. I am meditation, make I whole. From mountain top to valley deep. Rasta na fear, we not sleep. Mystic smoke, bring the light. Burn away darkness of the night. Herbal healing, word is sound. Jah vibration all around. Every puff a vision clear. Me sight ancestors them draw near. Them whisper truth from long ago. Out and we rise when we stay low. Me burn me herbs in a sacred rite. And dreams reveal in
Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Blowing free from mountain crest. Carry Jah word to east and west. Cool the brow, refresh the soul. Guide the weary to Jah goal. Every breeze a holy sign. Carry blessing pure divine. Wind of Zion never tire. Fan the flame of Rastafari. Wind of Zion swift and strong. Carry the truth where it belong. Lift the prayer to heaven.
humble heart. Show the path where peace can start. It scatters seed in fertile ground, so life and joy will soon abound. Babylon wall can't block its way. Wind of Jah will always stay. It cool the fire in times of heat. It lift the tired, guide the feet. From morning light till evening rest, Wind of Zion do Jah best. It call the youth to rise and sing about the joy Jah love will bring. Every gust a righteous call, blow away the pride and fall. Me hear it dance through forest green. Me feel it sweep where peace unseen. It touch the river, stir the sea. Tell the world we soon be free. It move the cloud, reveal the light. Keep we walking in Jah's sight. No man can chain, no man can bind. Wind of Zion, free mankind. When the night wind start to hum, it tell me Zion soon will